I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Music app. All you have to do in the first, so you just click it on settings here. You just click on settings. So then here it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find here apps. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Indeed, you're looking for Amazon Music app, but just click on search. Then here at Amazon Music, it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it on Amazon Music. So then here it's going to take you to this list. Click on force stop. Click on OK. You're scrolling down here. Click on storage. You click on clear cache. Then it's going to work with you. So then here you restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.